Ever wish people could save your WhatsApp contact instantly without typing your number? Well, you can, and the trick is using a QR code. Super simple and perfect for business or personal use. Let me show you how in less than a minute. All right, so first things first. Open your WhatsApp app like usual. Now, look at the top right corner. Tap the three dots. From there, go ahead and open Settings. Once you're inside, check the top section where your name and profile are. See that little QR code icon next to your name? Tap on it. Boom! That right there is your personal WhatsApp QR code. Anyone who scans this code can instantly save your contact. No typing, no mistakes. Now, if you want to keep it, you can simply take a screenshot to save it on your phone. Or here's a better tip. Tap the share option and send it to your own WhatsApp chat. That way, you'll get a clean image version that's ready to share anywhere, even for printing on business cards, posters, or packaging. And just like that, you've got a smart, modern way to share your contact in seconds. Try it now and watch how much easier connecting with people becomes.